Hey everyone, summer is here, and that means extreme heat can be a real danger to your car. We rely on our cars so much, and the last thing we need is a breakdown or expensive repairs, all because of the heat. Whether you're parked outside or driving under the blazing sun, today I'm going to show you how to keep your car safe and running smoothly all summer long. Alright, let's talk parking. We all know direct sunlight can turn your car into an oven, and that's not just uncomfortable, it's bad for your car's interior. See, that heat beating down can damage your dashboard, fade your seats, and even mess with your electronics. Nobody wants a cracked dashboard or a steering wheel that's too hot to touch. So, what do? Whenever possible, find some shade. Park in the garage, under a tree, even next to a taller vehicle. Anything to block those direct rays. And if you can't find shade, no worries. A windshield sunshade is your best friend. They're cheap, easy to use, and they make a huge difference in keeping your car's interior cooler. Next up, let's talk about your car's cooling system, specifically the coolant. Your engine works incredibly hard, especially in the summer heat, and it needs coolant to stay cool and avoid overheating. Overheating can lead to serious engine damage, and trust me, you don't want to deal with that repair bill. So, how do we prevent it? It's simple. Check your coolant regularly. Pop the hood when the engine is cool and locate your coolant reservoir. Most cars have easy-to-see markings for the minimum and maximum levels. Make sure the coolant level is within that range. And here's a bonus tip. While you're there, take a look at the coolant itself. If it looks rusty, dirty, or sludgy, it's time for a coolant flush. Fresh coolant will keep your engine running cool and happy all summer long. Now let's move on to your car's battery. You might not think heat affects your battery, but it can really take a toll. See, extreme temperatures can drain your battery faster, and the last thing you want is a dead battery on a scorching hot day. So, how do we keep our batteries happy? First, make sure the battery terminals are clean and free of corrosion. You can use a wire brush, or even some baking soda and water to clean them up. Second, if your battery is more than 3 years old, it's a good idea to have it tested. Most auto parts stores will test your battery for free. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry, especially in the summer heat. Let's talk tires. We all know how important tire pressure is for safety and fuel efficiency. But did you know that heat plays a big role in tire pressure too? When the temperature rises, the air inside your tires expands, which can lead to overinflation. Overinflating your tires increases the risk of a blowout, and nobody wants to deal with that, especially on a hot summer day. So how do we prevent it? Easy. Check your tire pressure regularly, at least once a month. You can find the recommended tire pressure in your owner's manual or on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. And here's a pro tip. Check your tire pressure when the tires are cold, meaning they haven't been driven on for at least a few hours. This will give you the most accurate reading. Now let's talk about protecting your car's interior from the sun's damaging rays. We already covered parking in the shade and using a windshield sunshade, but we can take it a step further. Remember those UV rays that can damage your skin? Well, they can damage your car's interior too, causing fading, cracking, and warping. But don't worry, we can prevent that. Investing in some sunshades for your side windows is a great idea. They're like sunglasses for your car, blocking out those harmful UV rays. And while you're at it, consider getting some seat covers. Seat covers not only protect your seats from the sun, but also from spills, stains, and wear and tear. And for the ultimate protection, especially if you have a leather steering wheel, grab a steering wheel cover. It'll keep your hands from getting burned on those scorching hot days. Finally, let's talk about everyone's favorite summer feature, the air conditioning. There's nothing worse than getting into a scorching hot car on a sweltering day and finding out your AC is blowing hot air. That's why it's crucial to test your AC early in the season. Turn it on full blast and see how it feels. If it's blowing cool air but not as cold as it used to, it might just need a recharge. You can pick up an AC recharge kit at any auto parts store. However, if your AC is blowing warm air or not blowing at all, it's best to take it to a mechanic to get it checked out. Don't wait until it's 100 degrees outside and you're stuck sweating in traffic. So there you have it. Taking these simple steps can save you a lot of money and trouble during the summer months. Remember, a little bit of prevention goes a long way when it comes to car care. Let me know in the comments. Which of these tips do you already follow? And if you have any other summer car care tips, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other car lovers so they can keep their cars running cool all summer long.